Should immigrants on a visa file a dual status tax return? Imagine moving to the United States on a visa and wondering how your taxes will work. If your residency status changes during the year, things can get a little complicated. That's where dual status tax returns come into play. When you switch from being a non-resident alien to a resident alien or the other way around, you usually need to file one of these special tax forms. During the year, you will report your income into parts. For the time you are considered a non-resident alien, you file from 1040 North American Revenue Service from 1040 NR. This form covers only income earned within the United States. When you become a resident alien, you file from 1040, which reports your worldwide income for the entire year. The IRS expects you to combine these two filings into a single dual status return. To qualify as a dual status alien, your change in residency must happen during the year. For example, if you meet the substantial presence test or hold a green card for part of the year, you are considered a dual status filer. The substantial presence test looks at the number of days you are physically present in the United States over a 3-year period. If you meet this test for part of the year, you are treated as a resident for that part. When filing, you cannot claim the standard deduction. Instead, you must itemize your deductions, which can include mortgage interest, state taxes, and charitable donations. Some tax credits like the Earned Income Credit or education credits are usually not available unless you choose to be treated as a resident for the entire year by filing jointly with a U.S. citizen or resident spouse. Your filing deadline depends on your year and status. If you are a resident at the end of the year, you typically file by April 15th. If you are a non-resident, the deadline is June 15th. Extensions are possible but only extend the time to file, not pay taxes owed. For visa holders, it's important to keep track of your days in the United States. Knowing your visa type and any applicable tax treaties with your home country can influence your residency status and tax obligations. Many Asian American immigrants face questions about how treaties affect their taxes or whether they can claim dependents. Because dual status filing can be tricky, working with a tax professional familiar with immigrant tax rules is highly recommended. They can help you navigate the rules, avoid penalties, and possibly find ways to reduce your tax bill. Remember, understanding your visa's tax implications and filing correctly is key to staying compliant and making the most of your tax situation.